Rebushia from Makwa by the back in Wood Sports or YouTube, King Sports TikTok. Bushia on second video be an I share now I like it. And your menu now I could ye at the Amai. And paper and Moka say the air Kotoko, air preseason Ugusua, air Koso, or Adako Jachie, and then air Paju Park or Kane West Kumase. I want a preseason in Koso. Players are available. Players are available. Of course, any man or entry. We rasta so. See how they are my downcut for the new season. Vichy for Inusa Adams, Kote, Danlad Ibrahim, also I join the Kotoko training. Because in himself, this year, Kotoko is searching for a new goalkeeper. Over to me, ABC, I can't be Kumasi Asante. After the departure of Air Kamara, this year, Kotoko is in search of a new goalkeeper. This year, I say, Danlad Ibrahim, the former Asante Kotoko, short stopper. I joined the club now, only preseason. I born Pie say, at the end of the preseason, Kotoko with me assign them. But the Juma at the Ama Air Crop Yamatema Asante Kotoko. I wish we have for training the Tregun or Adako Jachie, training the Tregun. You say on second video, no, I share, no, I like it, no, the comments are back. Now, Bibia, I come I will Kingwood Sports. Who call YouTuber? They just book Kingwood Sports. They be young, man. No, subscribe. When me notification bell, no, so now you drop in video, be a notification. Now, what to me, actually, what is happening in the camp of El Krobia Matema Asante Kotoko. This time we are doing Kotoko because I say Kotoko must be great again. I say Kotoko, it will be a fat and Timapa. I say Frana Kotoko must be back. Kotoko must be back. I say Kotoko to me, Jiran now so. And see if your players now who can come with your training, no dear question, who's a money bring you, papa. Yes, and ya bring you. So, more press a Libya. A bear come. To training you could go. Training in a coso or Adako Jachie. Training you could go. Tinkler, the Tinkler and the tactician. The players need firm, both physical and spiritual. Because I don't know how many years this season. Musa and Kafibiano, Kotoko. There's a season you have about 10 players, 12, 15 players. No more free club no more. Now you sign another 15, another 10, another 10 signings near the Adako. But this time, no. And just Kotoko maintaining most of the players. So what to me, maintaining players say to us 1, 2, 3 seasons. No, what to me for the core of the club. I wouldn't to me winning matches, take me winning trophies. But so every season we are club now as a some players and one team name Koso. I'm one team name Koso cry and see. I'm happy say most of the players, and I say most of players from last season, SIST, it's signing about maybe 5 additions, 5 top players, be now back on one team. No, what you mean at the core of the team, about me, a DSC, I can't league in Chabushia for training their course on training their course on. So this year ball work, and a course at the see, come.
I know that. I know you. Raovi.